Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So I hope you all enjoyed that little short of Water by the Bridge. Unfortunately, the weather was super cold, nasty, rainy, wet, and I would say only about probably 50 cars or so actually showed up to the meet, which is crazy low. They may have canceled it and this was just some people that showed up, but it was nothing like it used to be, which was kind of unfortunate, but I guess that's what happens when you have really bad weather. People just don't want to bring out their cars. But anyways, it's a new day and I want to get out here and work on the Corolla. Unfortunately, last video I talked about the body filler and pretty much running out. I didn't really have good body filler to use for the two parts that I need to do. I did get some on order, but for whatever reason, it still has not shown up yet. But that's okay, we have a lot more stuff to do on this car. And today I think I want to tackle a project that I've actually had it for a very long time, but haven't taken the time to fit it properly into this car. What I'm talking about is the carpet for the interior of the AE86. It's been such a long time, but I think the carpet that I got, or at least the company that I got the carpet from, was stockinteriors.com, and I'll place a link in the description as well. If it's another website, I'll change it too. But anyway, I got this carpet from stockinteriors.com. It's a one-piece carpet, and supposedly the carpet is form-fitted to the floor of the AE86, so it should fit pretty well. There are a couple of things that might be kind of off on this carpet, considering now this... Why are they barking? So a couple things may be off with the fitment of this carpet, especially because now I'm using Dynamat inside the interior, which is an added layer of thickness to the floor of the car. And also, and I'll show you on the carpet piece that I'm gonna be installing, I actually went with the option with the sound deadening material attached to the back of the carpet. When I placed the order for the carpet, I didn't really know I was gonna do Dynamat on the inside. So we'll see how fitment is. It is gonna require some trimming. It is gonna require some persuading to fit perfectly. I'm not going to be using self-tapping screws as some people do to kind of keep it in place. We're gonna try and go with a double-sided Velcro to keep the carpet from kind of sliding. So without further ado, let's go get the carpet and start installing it into the AE86. Ugh. And there's the old carpet, or what's left of it. Alright guys, so here's the new carpet. Don't mind that it's super disgustingly dirty. It's been in my basement for quite some time, so it's got some dog hair, cat hair, little pieces of who knows what. So anyway, we're going to vacuum up all this and take care of it. Here is the old carpet, and the reason why it is not going back into the car. I don't know what happened with the previous owner, but it looks like at some point some oil was spilled in the back. I mean, it is just all sorts of absolutely disgusting. Smells awful. The only reason I kept it was I may try to use them as templates on this carpet to get some of the basic cuts taken care of. But I don't know, because this stuff is absolutely disgusting. I mean, look up underneath this. Oh, man. Blech. Oh, blech. That's so gross, dude. Oh, it smells so bad. But anyway, here's where we sit. Let's go ahead and vacuum both of these carpets, and then we'll get to installing them inside the AE86. right, so I think I am to a point now where the carpet is somewhat clean. There's still some hair and pieces on there. It's actually kind of hard to remove all that out of this carpet, which I don't know if I like very much. But for now, I think I'm just gonna take this carpet, put it into the AE86, and then start marking areas where we need to trim away. This old carpet, I'm not going to at the moment. I'm not gonna use it as a template, just because there's so much oil and nasty gunk up underneath it that I don't wanna get that on the new, somewhat clean carpet. So anyway, let's install this into the AE86 and see how it fits. Alright guys, the carpet is installed, so let's take a look at it and see how it turned out. Woo-wee! Look at that. Carpet looks pretty good. So as you can tell, the carpet actually turned out pretty nice. We had to do some trimming up there on the transmission tunnel, and we still need to do some additional cutting over here for the e-brake and some other little spots over there. But for the most part, this is pretty much fitted to where it's gonna be. I do have to trim up the sides a little bit so we can put the trim back on when it's time for the interior to be reassembled. But I didn't want to go that far because this is going to be coming out anyway. All of the molding points, like this part right here, back here, some of the mounting brackets, they were all molded pretty well. So overall, the carpet's great. It's really good quality. Again, this carpet has a sound deadening material on the back of it as well. If I can pull a corner up here. So the sound deadening material is actually built into this carpet and is on the back side. This is a really good option if you don't have Dynamat or don't want to spend the money on Dynamat. You can just get this carpet. But of course, with the installation of the carpet, you also might notice that we installed the GTS seats into this car, which was pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel like this is just like right here. Wow. It's a lot smaller than I remember. All right, yes, I know. The GTS seats are installed into this car and they're not in the greatest shape, as you can see. These GTS seats were actually in a car that was in a junkyard for quite some time. They rotted in the sun and they're definitely pretty worn down. My original thought here was that I was gonna try and reupholster these myself, try to bring new life to them, do them in kind of like a black color. I don't know if I want to stay with the blue, but that was my original plan. And you know, the more I think about it, these seats might be just a little too gone, at least for my skill set. So let me know down in the comments if you all want me to still try and restore these seats. Might make for a pretty good DIY series, and some of you all might find it entertaining, and I kind of want to see if I can do it as well. This thing's gonna be so much fun when it's done. Gotta get going, let's get this thing done. But that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the installation of this carpet into the AE86, as well as the GTS seats. It's a really cool thing. Even though the seats aren't in that great a condition, it's pretty cool seeing GTS seats in this Corolla for the first time. So my opinion on stock interiors and the replacement carpet is pretty good. It definitely takes a lot of trimming to get to fit correctly, but you're gonna pretty much have to expect that unless you go with an OEM carpet from Toyota. And of course, I wanna give a shout out to my buddy Chris. He was the guy in the video that helped me with the carpet. Again, this could be done with one person, but it's always nice to have an extra set of hands, and it also makes the time go by faster since you have someone to talk to. Also, I want to give a shout out to AE86 SR5 to GTS conversion for sending me this sweet AE86 shirt. Guys, if you all like AE86 content, make sure to check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. He actually just painted his AE86, and his most recent video was him wet sanding all of the clear coat. So now it looks almost like a mirror. It's perfect. So if y'all are into this kind of stuff, definitely check out his channel. He's got some good content. And of course, last but certainly not least, thank you to all of you all of the subscribers and viewers to this channel. We finally passed the 1,000 subscriber threshold, which is a huge accomplishment. And I think it's such a cool thing for the channel. And with that being said, I am planning on doing a 1,000 subscriber special, but unfortunately timing is kind of off right now. I had an idea in mind, but I can't really do that at the moment. So be looking forward for a video, definitely a 1,000 subscriber special. Also, I think I want to do a giveaway as well. Maybe kind of a similar thing to what SR5 to GTS conversion did with this shirt. Or also, I've got a set of kooky coupe taillights that I may just go ahead and give to one of you all. Let me know what you all think in the comment section below. Again, I really appreciate all of you all subscribing and tuning into the channel. It really helps out, and we finally reached that goal. All right guys, so let's wrap this video up. So if y'all liked what you saw, smash that thumbs up button. If you like this sort of content, press that subscribe button, and you can click the little bell notification to be notified when new videos come out on this channel. Stay tuned for more AE86 content, and until next time, I'll see you later. Psst, hey, next goal, 10,000 subs, bub.
Listen.